Did you know that after opening your fast, protein is something that we need, especially if we have worked out, or even if we have not worked out, we need it because it keeps us satiated and keeps us satisfied for a longer period of time. So here I've added egg, protein powder, oats, and almond milk. Now the thing is that about the protein powder, I found some nice organic protein powder in a shop here in London. If you want protein powder, you have to read the ingredients and find a good one wherever you live. I did not add any sweetener, just these ingredients that I've just mentioned, and then I cooked it in ghee. I've kept a very low flame and then just added the batter. This quantity makes 2 large pancakes. If you want, you can double it, up to you, depending on how many people are going to have it. Just cook it properly, and then I just put it on the plate and topped it up with the fruits I wanted to have. Now I've selected a few fruits which I had at that time, which includes berries, plum, and grapes. You can add any fruits you want, like apple. You can also add cinnamon, banana, berries, mango. You can add honey on top or maple syrup. I did not add any sweetener to avoid extra calories.